So currently we are hiking in Santa Barbara and it's really pretty here. Let me show you. That's just one part of it. So I think there should be a waterfall at the top, but we haven't gotten there yet. So now we're a bit deeper into it. Just some more leaves and an analyze. How are you feeling, Tarina?
Good.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
So we found a little tiny waterfall that I'm washing our hands in. It's not, I heard that the actual waterfall is, it doesn't have any water, but we found this little thing, so that's kind of cool. The hike is coming to an end, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing, and see you next time.